Hey guys, this is Pranjal Mishra, and today I'm gonna tell you how you can record your podcast and upload in various streaming services like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, and even Spotify. So let's just get started. So to record a podcast and upload it, you just need to visit a website that is anchor.fm, anchor.fm. So for you guys, I'm gonna create a very new account. So I'll sign up. It's asking my name. So and here we go. Once we have created a account, it will present you a very beautiful dashboard, and it will say that before you can publish any episode, you'll have to verify your email address with Anchor. So this is basically the flowchart of how it will exactly go. So first you'll have to record your podcast and upload it here. The second step gonna be you'll name your podcast, you'll insert the cover art for your podcast, and once you publish the podcast, and it will automatically take care of all the distributions in different podcasting channels, and later you can set up monetizations. Let's do it. This is a dashboard where you can create your podcast. You can record podcast here. For example, if I want to record a podcast, I'll click on record button, but make sure you have connected your mic. Start recording now. It will ask for mic, so yeah, default simple microphone. Start recording now. Hey guys, this is Pranjal Mishra, and this is the very first test podcast I'm creating for you guys. So let's publish this 7-second podcast right now. If that makes any sense. So currently this is uploading the file that we have just recorded here, and once it's processed, we can add this to our timeline. And this here right now, this gray box is our timeline. We can even record more snippets. For example, record again. And this is the second audio clip I am recording for you guys, just to show you the functionality of timeline. And again, it's being recorded. You can see the time, it's 3:41 a.m. So now you can see it's uploaded. I'm adding it to episode. So once it's uploaded, you can preview your episode from here. I'll wait for 10 more seconds. If it gets uploaded, it's good to go. Otherwise, I will delete this. Yeah. So let's assume that the podcast is completed. This is your file. Click on save. Here you'll enter your details. You can customize the podcast. You can upload the image art here. I have this, so let's upload it here. You can write the season number, that is 1, episode number 1. You can select the episode type, whether if it is a full complete episode or just a trailer or a bonus episode. You can select the content type, if it is clean or explicit. मैं बहुत clean हूँ, so clean. And you can hit on publish now. So here we can see it is the confirmation email. I just need to click on the link, and yeah, it's verified. Let's continue to the dashboard, and we will publish our very first episode from here. And then we'll click on publish now. Yeah, so here we go. Now it's asking me for podcast name, performing arts, language, for now it's Arabic. Continue. Now it is asking me to upload the cover art for the podcast. Earlier we uploaded the cover art for the episode. You can ignore that if you want, and by default it will take the cover art of podcast. Yeah, and now it's asking me to distribute my podcast. You can see it consists of Google Podcast, it consists of Apple Podcast and even Spotify. So yeah, distribute it. And from now it will take care of all the distributions and it will show you the different analytics with the links. So to know the different links and different stuffs, you can just go to episodes and it will show you the detail of that particular episode. For example, I am showing you the details of my previously uploaded podcast, that is Epic Shit. Here is the details of Epic Shit, and it also has a public site that it automatically creates for your podcast. All my 4 episodes are uploaded on different podcasts, that is Apple, Google, Overcast, Spotify, Radio Public and whatnot. So that's it. It will automatically take care of all the distributions and you will be reminded and notified by the emails by different organizations. So yeah, that's it.